Hello, in this video we will simplify multiple powers of I. In first example we have I to the 16th. In second example we have to simplify I to the 25, and in a third example we need to simplify I raised to the 35 power. So the only thing we can use here is knowledge that I to the second is equal to -1. So the goal here is to rewrite the base in terms of I to the second power. So in example A we have I to the 16th. We can rewrite this using rules of exponents and have I to the second power. 16 divided by 2 is 8, so 2 times 8 will give us 16 back. So effectively we can rewrite this as I to the second power raised to the 8th power to get I to the 16 back. Now we can rewrite I to the second as -1, so we have I squared is equal to -1. This leaves us with -1 raised to the 8th power. A negative number raised to even power gives us a positive number, so -1 times itself 8 times will give us +1, so 1 is our solution for example A. In example B we have I to the 25th power. We cannot divide 25 by 2, so we cannot factor I squared out of it yet, but we can rewrite this as I to the 24th times 1 more I. Now on this step we can factor out second power from 24 and have I squared raised to the 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. 2 times 12 gives us 24 back, and times I at the end. So effectively we have I to the power of 2 times 12 plus 1, which gives us 25 back. On this step we can rewrite I squared as -1. So we get -1 to the 12th power. -1 raised to an even power gives us +1. So we have 1 times I. So 1 times I just gives us I. 1I, and I is our solution for example B. In example C we have I raised to the 35 power. Since we cannot factor out power of 2 from 35, because 35 cannot be evenly divided by 2, let's rewrite this power as I to the 34th times 1 more I. We can rewrite I to the 34th as I to the second raised to the 34 divided by 2 gives us 17, and 2 times 17 gives us 34, times one more factor of I gives us 35 powers of I. On this step let's rewrite I to the second as -1, so we get -1 raised to the 17th power times I. -1 raised to an odd power. Odd powers preserve the signs, so we get -1 back once we raise it to the 17th power times I. -1 times I gives us -I, and this is our solution. That's all.